Okay, so I'm in Best Buy. Okay, so I'm in Best Buy and I'm getting a camera for my YouTube and I'm so happy. I'm gonna show you the camera when I get in the car. Hold on. Okay, so I'm home and I have the camera. I have to record it really quickly because my phone is on like 7%. One reason why I needed the camera, but yeah. This is the camera. It's the Canon PowerShot. It's not a G7X. We couldn't afford that. Like, I couldn't afford that. Yeah. You open it and it's like this. And this is the battery and this is the camera, I think. Yeah, this is like the little strap that you put at the end of the camera. But yeah. Well, this is what you charge the battery. And this is the battery, I think. Yeah. And this is the camera. Okay. So this is the camera. It comes in this. Now this ain't no G7X. I'm gonna stay for the G7X, but this is like pretty good. So it's all new. Oh my god. So the downside about this camera, I just noticed, was that I can't like flip this screen. So that's the downside about it. But it's all good. Battery, where does the battery go? Where's the battery go? Oh. Hey. Where does the battery go? Like right here? Oh, right here. Okay. So before I got this camera, I was like watching a lot of videos on the camera and how it worked. And they all said it worked like good. Like it's 1080p and yeah. So I'm going to put this in there. I think it goes this way. Wait, does it go this way? Or does it go this way? I'm going to put the SIM card in. I got a 64GB SIM card because yeah, like the guy at the store pretty much knew what I was getting the camera for. Like he was just like, yeah, like 64GB is pretty good for like YouTubers. And so I was like, oh, let me get a 64GB. And I didn't mean SIM card. I don't know why I keep saying SIM card, but I'm gonna put this SIM card in. Set the date. Hold on. Okay, so this is the camera. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see me. You're gonna see me. It's kind of blurry. It's kind of bright, like right here. It looks really good. Like the quality actually looks really good. Okay, so I'm about to switch to the camera so you can tell the difference. So this is how I look. This might be the last video that I'm recording on my phone. Like, you never know. I might have to record on my phone. But, yeah. This is, you know, this is how I look on my phone. I'm going to show you how I look on the camera. Wait, I lied. I'm actually finna open up the tripod. So, I'm going to turn this off. And open this tripod. I need some scissors to open this. Okay, I open the tripod. And it comes with this. Whew. How you do this? Oh, I don't think I need that. What? My makeup bag. I know. Okay, so that's how I look on a tripod. Now I'm finna show you how it looks with the camera.
What are you doing?
I'm zooming in. Ooh, I moisturize my lips. Ooh.
Did you polish your nails today?
I polished my nails yesterday.
Yes.
Oh my god, the quality of the camera is really good.
Sneakers on, that's why.
My phone is flashing and I keep taking out the charger, but I'm gonna stop.
Get out of the mirror.
Okay, so let me set this up. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, so basically this wall, you can see everything. Can you see that bump? You can see that bump right there? So if it's blurry, my bad. The only downfall about this camera is that I cannot see myself. Well, I'm looking in the mirror, like there's a mirror behind me, like this big old mirror behind me. So yeah, but that's like the only downfall about this camera. I get my phone, like I get my phone back. I'm so glad that I can use my phone and record. Like I'm gonna start doing things with my phone, like guys rate me. I'm gonna probably do that this week because I really want to do that. But yeah, that's like the only downfall about this camera. The camera is great, the quality is great, the quality is 1080p. I'm learning to look like in the middle. Can you see me? I'm learning to look in the middle. And yeah, I'm finna do a makeup tutorial tonight. Yeah, and one way that I knew that I needed a camera, first of all because I'm tired of using my phone, and second of all because last night I did a makeup tutorial and I was just like, oh my god, like the quality of the makeup tutorial was so, it wasn't so bad, but I just was tired of it. Like I was just tired of just the crap quality. And yeah, I feel more comfortable with my camera. Like I feel more comfortable with having a camera. Like I'm just like so talkative, maybe because I'm feeling myself, like I don't know. But yeah, I got a camera. It is the Canon PowerShot SX620 620 HS. I got it from Best Buy. It cost me, well not me, but it cost $250. But I got like a stand. Of course I got like a tripod, 64 gigabytes because I knew I needed like a lot of gigabytes because I just need a lot of gigabytes. So yeah, I got that, and I got, yeah, that's just basically what I got. So it came to like $360 something. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Can you see? I hate that. Is it not focusing? Do I have to do this? Oh, that works. Wow. Follow me on Instagram at BaddieShy. Ooh, focus. About time. Oh, let me show you like the zoom features. Like I really should want to show you the features, but I can't show you the features. But this is how it zooms. Wait, is that zooming? Let me see. I'm gonna zoom into my lips because I really like my lips. It zooms up to like 25 minutes only, like on 6. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. It zooms out kind of slow. You could really see like, oh, I already finna break the camera. But yeah, it's really nice. It's really cute. I really like the camera. And yeah, like I said, the only downfall about the camera, hold on, let me turn it back on. My forehead looks really big and like greasy because I'm sweating. I'm finna break the camera already. Like what? Well, I got a warranty on it, but like I don't want to break it. Like, oh my god. Can you see me? But yeah, like I said, yeah, the only downfall about having the camera is that I can't see myself. Well, unless I like go like this all weirdly and look in the mirror, but I need to learn to stop doing that. But yeah, that's the only downfall. This is the end of the video, of course, because I already showed you and told you about the camera. I really like it. The quality is really good. Yeah, like hopefully you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the camera and my excitement. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers by December. That's like a lot to ask for, but I feel like I can do it, like just with the better quality. Like nobody's gonna like if you like, nobody's gonna subscribe if you don't have good quality. Well, that's not true, because like, if you have decent quality, I would subscribe, like, if I liked your video and your vibe. But I just felt like upping my quality would just, you know, bring more people into, you know what I'm saying, my YouTube channel. And yeah, so I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. The only way I can make that happen is if you subscribe. Yes, you subscribe. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, I can do this now. Ooh.